Cleaning under a Ninja Fit blade? Do this safely. Cutting yourself while cleaning blender blades is easy. Here's the safe way to get under them without bleeding. Step 1. Unplug and remove the blade base. Always unplug the fit before taking off the blade assembly. This blade cluster comes out easily. Don't try to clean it in place. Step 2. Use a brush or gloves, not fingers. Put on cut-resistant gloves or grab a long-handled, soft cleaning brush. Scrub under the blades and around the gasket. This keeps your hands safe and your fit debris-free. Step 3. Pre-clean with soap or water blend. If food's stuck, rinse it or add warm water plus soap, blend briefly, then empty and brush. That liquid pass loosens grime before scrubbing. Step 4. Soak tough gunk if needed. Let it soak in warm, soapy water for a few minutes before brushing. No force, no fuss. Step 5. Dry everything thoroughly. Water under the gasket traps odor and rust. Dry the cup, blade, and gasket completely before putting them back together. If you want a brush that's safe, soft, and long enough for under the blades, I've linked the one I use below. If this helped keep your fingers intact and your fit clean, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more smart appliance tips. Thanks for watching, and clean safe.